I'm Nisha and today I'm gonna introduce you the new center table. The tabletop is made from stone slab material and it is fire resistant, water resistant, and scratch resistant. The surface of the table is very smooth. This saddle is a saddle lap, and these stitches are handmade. Also, this kind of leather is very durable. I really like this table. I think it is wonderful. Actually, this wonderful table also has 2 drawers, which are very easy to pull out. And you can store there a lot of things like books or everything you want. They are very easy to close. The height of this table is about 40 centimeters and it fits sofa very much. Also, you can easily reach out your coffee cup from this table. On the right side, you can see the center table. And on the left side, there is a side table. So if you have a long sofa or there are a lot of people on the sofa, you can buy together these 2 tables and they will really fit your sofa. These sofa tables have 2 colors. The first one is orange color and the second one is red color. And both of that really matches this perfect table. That's all for our sharing about the center table. Feel free to visit our store for any further questions. See you next time!